London smells like grandma.
Here we are. Home sweet home.
You don't get many women back here, do you, Charles?
People who live alone are always serial killers.
Sweet Neptune on a bike!
Oh, don't mind Mr. Bobo. Just an old project of mine.
Project?
Yeah, I had this theory. I thought that if you took a monkey, gave him a monocle and covered up his gigantic unsightly arse, then he would cease to be a monkey and become more of a man-pansy, if you will.
Bold theory.
I don't like the monkey.
But to be honest, monkeys are 10 a penny. He's not a patch on Polly here. Oh! Anyhow, big day tomorrow. We all need our rest. Let me show you to your room, Captain.
Right behind you, Chuck.
Here's the plan. You know what to do. Shh.
Captain, it's Mr. Darwin, sir. I'm sure he's up to no good.
Oh, honestly, number two, what's got into you? Thanks to Charles, we're about to win lavish untold riches, and here you are trying to find fault with a poor fellow.
Yes,
No, not another word. A future Pirate of the Year needs his beauty sleep. Do you think you could make nautical noises until we drop off? Oh, that's lovely. That really is lovely. Can you do a shiver of timber? No.
Just take in a few gulls, would you? Caw, caw, caw.
Ladies and gentlemen, our winner! Give it up for the Pirate Captain!
Congratulations, Pirate Captain. Nobody deserves this more than you.
Thanks, Cutlass.
And that beard of yours, it drives me crazy.
Give it back, Bellamy. It's mine. Neptune's navel. Come back here, you lump.
Stop, thief!
I'll take that. Not so fast, my friend. Number two! Are you all right? Unhand that Dodo.
Evening, Captain.
have a pirate with a scarf?
Come back here, mysterious shadowy figure.
Gotcha! Are you all right, girl?
Captain, what's going on?
Don't play the innocent. You and your hench monkey tried to steal Polly.
Steal Polly? Oh, dear me, no, you're mistaken.
Then how do you explain this?
Well, I think it's obvious what's happened, isn't it?
Is it?
Some jealous rival scientist must have tried to make off with the Dodo.
Well, that explains everything.
Captain, please, let's go. Polly's not safe in London.
I couldn't bear it if something happened to Polly.
Nothing is going to happen to Polly. She'll be perfectly safe. Leave everything to me. Now, come on. We can't keep that prize waiting.
Anyone got a towel?